Based in South Burlington, Vermont, Neagley Chase is an award-winning commercial construction company, running projects throughout northern New England and neighboring New York State. Growing frustration with their estimating software's outdated database and lack of system maintenance made it clear that it was time for a change. ProEst's cloud-based estimating platform was the solution, providing much-needed integration with the company's Procore project management software and unprecedented levels of user access. Once ProEst was in place, Neagley Chase lost no time in moving their bidding process online, which was a perfect fit for their collaborative design/build approach. Each NCC project typically requires the preparation of multiple estimates throughout the pre-construction process, modified and refined as the job evolves. The ProEst platform helped to accelerate the development process, letting teams review bids remotely to make collective decisions, gain consensus, and keep timelines on track. The company also found that ProEst's firm commitment to technical and customer service support was of vital importance, especially during the state's unexpected business shutdown. Online consultations with ProEst experts helped ensure that Neagley Chase estimators got answers to their questions in real time, eliminating unproductive downtime. Now, thanks to ProEst, the company is moving full speed ahead, adding projects to their pipeline as the region regains its momentum and construction crews get back to work.